betul sama kita berada di sana al-ta'ala. Dan ternyata mencari mereka ini sama berlewat kelihatan mana. Jika kemudian kami masalah nak melihat Abu Bakar Zahari Musa dan sematanya. Empat disebut sampai misalkan bagaimana. Excellent cases, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. On behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to express my warm welcome to all of you and extend my deep gratitude for joining us to the Independence Day of Eritrea. As a first of all, we gather here today to celebrate the 32nd anniversary of our nation's independence. It's an honor and privilege to extend a warm welcome to our distinguished guests who have placed their presence on this momentous day. Excellencies and distinguished